Be gentle. And watch out for his head so he don't butt you.
Its name is Choco.
Choco?
Who's that?
Spookly!
You want to take a picture with Spookly? Oh my god, this is our second time here.
See a water, please?
But we are going to...
What?
We're going to what? To see the animals?
Yep. Wait there. I can't see the
Mm-hmm.
I can't see the animals.
Not yet. We're gonna take a ride on that thing.
It's a trailer.
It's a trailer. Yay. Not yet.
Hey, hey, hey.
Tiffy.
Well done, child.
There.
What's the whip it on you? Stop! Stop! You get the bracelet. You have Mommy, can I see the baby?
No, we're not doing that, okay?
I just try to see
I know. No. You can just look at her from here.
They're not taking your bracelet? I don't want to. I don't want to look from here. I just want to look from here.
Okay, it's they're coming right there.
Hello. And I said this right there.
We're gonna see animals.
Yeah, and this, and everyone is want to see the animals.
We are almost ready. Are you in a hurry? She's very impatient. Okay. Aren't we all?
What's that? You like it?
Yeah, I can see the wind.
Do you like it, Tiffy? Do you like it? Mm-hmm. Ooh.
They're taking you on the scenic route.
Where's the bump? Ooh.
There's real peach trees. Some trees over here. These are peach trees. Bananas, you gotta go where mommy's from. You gotta go to more of a jungle. You can't grow many bananas here. Not hot enough. Something orange?
Maybe it's spookly.
It's spookily.
Yeah.
Well, we can take a picture of this. You can sit here. I guess.
Spookly.
Okay.
Sit, Samantha.
You
Don't
can
run
sit
away.
here.
Don't run away, baby. Stay with me. Get off here and stop taking a picture with you.
Mm-hmm. This is a pumpkin patch.
I see spookly, Mommy. Is he dead?
Here. Oh, we don't go in.
Okay, over here. Sammy,
Don't go in.
we'll take a picture.
We're not going in there. That's it.
Who's that?
Spookly!
You want to take a picture with Spookly? Okay. Okay, look at me.
Sit down, turn around. Sit over to the side, baby. Over to the side by the pumpkin. There you go. How's that? Tiffany?
Is Spookly a good pumpkin? Is he a good pumpkin?
Yeah.
Okay.
Looks like he's eating your head.
We put it back.
That's dried corn.
Corn on the pot.
Yeah, you'd have to shell that and then smash it.
Ew, no.
That. It'll break your teeth. In the shade and take a picture of everybody in the shade. Look out there.
More pumpkins.
Out there. Wow.
And I see a spookly flag.
You see a spookly flag?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, spookly. Oh, watch out. Silo, mommy. You want to walk out there? Watch out. No, 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 no. We don't pull on that. That'll pull things down.
Whee! What's that?
Ta-da!
Ta-da!
Bugs.
Yeah.
Yummy. I'll go my side.
Come on, let's go.
I never did this. Oh my gosh! That's gonna be so fun.
Okay.
I was fast.
Tippy, where are you?
Hello.
Hey,
Tippy, over here.
How are you?
Tippy,
How are you?
wanna slide?
oh, don't look at it. You can't see the bottom. Ready? Set. Go!
Go, Ate.
Go, Samantha.
Go, Ate Samantha. No pushing.
Oh, no.
Okay, that's alright. Whee! Go, Tippy. Are you scared?
Be careful of splinters.
Good job.
This is the last part.
That's the engine. That's the one that pulls all the others.
I see you.
Seaweed. Seaweed.
Pirate Sammy, is that your plank? Walking the plank?
Where are you going, Bergen?
Hey, Mommy, this is how we did it. We got in from the end of the...
Can you find a kitty cat?
This is like an obstacle course.
Mm-hmm.
What? Too hot. Oh, you don't want to go to Mommy's home.
You don't want to go in the Philippines.
That's for sure. No, if you're going to the Philippines, you can't be hollering it's too hot. First, baby.
All aboard.
On the board.
What?
On the board. I got a body other side. Other side.
So I'm gonna take a ride. How much?
$50.
$20? I cannot believe it. That's impossible.
$20.
20. Can I make it 10?
Okay,
Okay, here.
if you try it.
10. Here's my $10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you. Beep beep. Beep beep.
Where's the customer?
Where's the other customer?
No, I
There's
found him. Can you go on the board now?
Hey customer.
Go on the bus. It's closed.
Hey customer.
Okay, I'm going the other way. You're the way.
Hi customer.
I'm going the other way.
How come she can go? Oh my god.
Hi.
What's your head? Oh my goodness. Ah.
How did you
What's your
do
back?
it?
Oh, how do you do it?
How
That will be $10.
Here,
$10.
this is $10. I got
Give her $10.
Oh.
She's the driver.
Oh.
You're gonna give her the money.
Oh yeah.
No, not me. You're gonna give her the money.
No, I was taking the money for you and giving it to Tiffany.
I already give her the money.
Oh.
You're the one who needs to give her the money.
Oh no.
Oh! You need to pay! Oh no.
No customer. No.
No, bad customer.
But somebody's got to wait on me. If somebody got it, don't want. But someone guys had.
Marshall University.
It's hot. Very hot. We're back in summer. Oh no!
I got it.
Let other kids play, baby.
Baby, it doesn't open. Come on.
Let other kids play.
What? Okay, close the door and then ring the bell.
Jacob, say please.
Ding dong. Ding dong.
I don't think the doorbell. Be gentle. And watch out for his head so he don't butt you.
Its name is Chaco.
Chaco?
The black and white one?
There.
Hi! Hi! Come on, come on. Oh, you.
Don't get your hand stuck in the fence.
Oh, see, you read it.
May bite.
I'll let you in on a secret. A pig will eat anything. You want to do a human body? Don't feed the pig for a week. Throw him in. He'll eat it.
Okay,
Oh my god.
look at that. Oh,
What did he say?
bah.
He's talking to you.
Bah.
I think he's gonna scare that pig.
Uh-huh.
I think the pig probably knows.
Say hi.
Hi.
He says, hey, what are you doing? Did you bring me food? That's what he wants to know.
Tiffany, what did it say? Bah.
When are you that other guy?
I don't think the other one. Are you Ferdinand? No. I don't know. He got big droopy ears. He got really big droopy ears. He wants some scratch some more. He likes his ears back. Says, oh, that feels so good. Oh, yeah. Don't put your fingers in. Good baby. And if you think there's something good to eat, you just want to nibble at it. That is a peacock I saw. I thought I saw the head of a peacock. Look, big, look. What's that? It's a peacock. Very good. Come down here if they want to see us some more. Yeah, see, I told you.
Don't show on them.
Come down here if they want to see us again.
You went?
Okay, peacock. I thought I saw a peacock floating around. I see his head. Now I see the rest of it. See there? I'll tell you what, you don't want to be around peacock in the morning because they'll wake you up as soon as the sun comes up. They are loud. Come on, come on, come on. Can you do it?
Yeah, do that.
Okay, okay, one. Okay.
There goes Wayne's little side by side.
Oh my god.
King Bob. Okay.
Tiffy. That's perfect. That's a ringneck pheasant. You see that?
Don't go
Aww.
See the little pony back there? I mean, she broke a bone or something, so they're trying to straighten the leg back up. Turkeys. They're domesticated turkeys, but they're turkeys.
Oh, they have different colors. White.
Yeah.
I used to like
Yeah,
that.
they're domesticated. That's why. Look, he's strutting.
Yeah, that big one is beautiful.
Yeah. Yeah, well, see how he's puffing up? He's showing off. Look at him.
So look at me. Look at me.
What? You know, I've killed many a turkey and everything and eaten many a turkey, but what is the red thing on their nose? Do you have any idea?
I used to know what it was called.
I mean, they actually can. Yeah, you're getting tired. Well, you're at the barnyard, baby. That's what it smells like. I'm sorry.
Farther away from the turkeys you get, the better.
Look, there he comes.
Look at the V.
After we see the ducks, we can come out of the barnyard.
Say hi.
Look, here comes a big old turkey. He's strutting on over here. See there?
You tired, baby?
She said she don't like the smell. Oh, look, Timmy right here. He's in the barn. They're in the barn.
Oh. You want to open that one?
No, we can't open it.
Wait for me.
No, go to the door. Go through the door.
What do you
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Phoebe! Hey!
What? Who's there?
Man, don't run off. Come over here. Come on,
Tiffy, you can't close it.
come on, Tibbers.
Come on, let's go. So we can go home. So we can see again, we can see Nico.
Oh, I want to see Nico.
Okay, let's go.
Ah!
Packing house back there. Still got apples on their trees. Wow.
Look at these houses.
That's a 5-car garage.
Very far from the neighbors. Look at that house. Nice, overlooking on the mountain and trees changing colors.
Money out here.
Yeah.
You got a 5-car garage and a big in-ground pool. You got money.